Assalamu alaikum dosto. Welcome to Triple A Tech, your trusted channel for tech solutions and automation tips. Today I am going to show you how to rename hundreds of files at once using just command prompt and Excel. No software, no scripts and no coding required. Let's dive in. First open the folder where your files are located. I want to rename all the images that I have in this folder. Now click on the address bar at the top and type CMD and hit enter. This opens the command prompt directly inside your folder. Now type the command to show all the file names only. This displays only the file names without dates, sizes or folders, perfect for copying. Now copy the output, copy it. Now I have Excel sheet to rename all the files at one time. Open the Excel file. I will provide you in the description. And now paste it into an Excel sheet under the column old names. In the next column, write the new names that you want for each file. I want for each file like image 001. I want also extension for this file. As you can see, there is a command ren, old name of the file name and the new name. And in the new name, there is no extension of the .jpg, .png of the file. I have to type extension .jpg. If you want .png, you can type .png. I want in .jpg. I type .jpg. And now you can see in the old name there is also a file extension, and in the new name there is also a file extension. Now you have to fill the columns. Copy all the generated commands. Copy it and now go to the command prompt. In the command prompt you just have to paste them. It warns you are about to paste the text that contains multiple lines. If you paste this text into your shell, it may result in the unexpected execution of the commands. Do you wish to continue? You have to proceed with the paste anyway. Now you can see all the commands are running. Now you can see all the images have new name that we want. That's it for today. You just learned the smartest way to rename hundreds of files using CMD and Excel. Quick, clean and fully customizable. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to AAA Tech for more automation tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I respond to everyone. Allah Hafiz.